Hello everyone, Alex here, and today we're going to talk about one product that we successfully brought to life, as we like to say, from basic sketch concept idea through 3D modeling, industrial design, prototyping. Behind me on the screen you can see this is a 3D printed prototype which is completely transparent, and now we are into injection molding phase where we are actually making the mold for this unit. And there is one video that we actually already reviewed the challenges with this product that we had, and right now we're going to show you how we actually made this. So let's jump in. Here you can see model, again completed for the injection molding. Company name is Chiplock, in our client Marianne. So this unit is completely ready and it passed all the FM analysis. So it's currently in the injection molding process. Important part when you are making something for injection molding is to pay attention to few simple things. You want to have some draft angle here on the walls. The reason for that is when you're pulling the unit out of the mold, you don't want to have a struggle there or to have some marks. As well, you want to keep the wall thickness, I would say, normal. You don't want to go too thick or too thin. And here you can see we have some reinforcements, like those ribs are providing a structural stability to the unit. So as you can imagine, this is the chip tray, casino chip tray, and it holds chips in these barrels. So more or less this is very standard unit, but it's new, meaning there is one feature that makes this unique. You will see more once when we actually do a product review, when we receive injection molding units. After this step, as you already know, the next step would be to create a 2D drawings that will give some valuable information to the manufacturer, and you can see them now on the screen. So here you can see the 2D drawings. This is the weight of the unit. So interesting part here is that we had two versions. One version had a 2mm wall and this version has a 3mm wall. We decided to proceed with 3mm wall. Why we made two versions? Well, 2mm wall had less weight. Less weight meaning cheaper cost per unit on the mass manufacturing. However, we had a problem with walls being too thin. As you can see here, I'm going to zoom in on the left side, the section view. Here you can see how the wall is thick, so 3mm on the top, but it's going less and less. That's the draft angle I mentioned previously. So we had a situation that here we had a 2mm or almost 2.5, but here we were almost under 1, which was too thin. Cost difference here was significant per unit, so I would say almost $1 difference per unit, but quality will be also compromised. Of course, after this we also produced our renderings for our client. The black background here is because they requested a transparency for their website, and as you already saw on the screen, we also have prototyping pictures. So prototype here was done with 3D printing, and this is the first time we actually used transparent 3D printing, which looks really nice. So it looks like almost injection molding quality. In the next video, we're going to show you how actual unit looks like and what we achieved with it, and that unit is going to be also injection molded. Thank you for watching.